Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 2023 winner of the competition, none other than them don't have no S on them name. I present St. Mary High School. Mr. Louis Owen, I want to welcome you to the stage. Welcome you to the stage to present the Winners Award to St. Mary High School. None of this can happen without someone that is committed. So I know, and so we want to present this award to you, madam, sponsored by Chase as the winning teacher. Make some noise for her. Here you go, madam. We love and respect your work.
Give you a hug. Give you a hug. She's just the best, guys. I have to thank her. She's been there with us through thick and thin. She's always been there for us through every step of the way, even through the holidays. We worked very hard, blood, sweat and tears we put into this. And I just want to thank all of you very much. I want to thank her so much. Thank you.
You've done it. I remember the first time you were at the first preliminary and you were, talking about, what the road was like and how proud you are of them and the chances of you going all the way. Your thoughts on doing it finally?
I am happy. I am so happy right now. I feel so good for the students. They are just excited. We did it. We are so proud. I just want to thank God and the past students who came and they helped us. We are just feeling so good.
What will the celebration be like, when you go back to?
Oh, yes, we are going to have a road march. Definitely. Through Highgate Town.